Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is your Ramandeep Singh, and today will be I will be introducing you to the latest series which I will be launching. The series is graph algorithms, yeah, graph series you can say, yeah, 100 days to master graphs, something like that, and or to 100 days of graph problems to transform your thinking, है ना. This is the series which I will be launching, and in this series I will be solving one graph problem every single day starting from today onwards. And the 100 problems has been selected in such a way that they cover most of the important algorithms of graph. They build your deep conceptual clarity, strengthen your pattern recognition skills, improves your problem solving intuition, and also they are very important for the coding interviews and the contests. Okay. And once you complete all these 100 problems, once we complete these 100 problems, we will be even more confident in approaching and handling graph problems. Okay. Now then, how we will start with this series? We'll start with the basic problems which involves breadth first search, depth first search, how to represent a graph, etc. Moving to connected components, different traversals, detecting cycles, topological sortings, Dijkstra means shortest path, single source, shortest path, multi-source, BFS, spanning trees, union find, disjoint sets and bridges, articulation points, strongly connected components, Kosa-Raju algorithms, and then finally with the grid based problems as well. Okay. And at the end I will also discuss the problems, similar problems which I faced in the recent interviews which I gave. That's how this journey is going to be for the next 100 days. So just stay with me and be consistent and solve the problems as I move ahead. Okay. So now, why does the graph actually matters? The graphs are very important data structures if you want to crack coding interviews or even, let's say, do better in competitive programming contests. Graphs are really critical concepts. Graphs are very critical, and it is sometimes hard to visualize a problem in terms of graphs. So we will also I have also included problems which are which do not directly states that okay, a graph has been given, but some problems can be modeled into graphs in order to make them relatively easier. Okay. So how to model problems, how to reframe problems in terms of graph, we will also learn that. So what is my mission in posting this series is to I selected 100 carefully selected 100 problems, no shortcuts, no surface level learning, only clarity, consistency and mastery. Now once you master these 100 problems, graph problems will no longer seem scary. Interview questions will be very predictable, and algorithm thinking will also level up permanently. Okay. So who is this for? Who can opt for this series? Who should move ahead with me in this series is the beginners who should have strong foundations in at least one good programming language, maybe C++, Java, Python, any, and has good strong foundations like foundation data structures. You know arrays, what are arrays, linked lists, strings, stacks, queues. These should be very much familiar to all of you. Okay. Also it is good for immediate coders who are, let's say, preparing for placements. If you solve these 100 problems, I'm damn sure you will find these problems somewhere in the interviews. I have given interviews of many product based companies, also service based companies and startups as well. So I have seen this pattern that the problems are usually repeated. You will not find exact problems in some interviews, but once you have these 100 patterns clear, you can at least approach a problem. You can at least write a working solution for a problem which has been given to you. You will not be entirely blank, how should I start, how should I move ahead, what algorithm should I use, why it is a graph problem, etc. Okay. And anyone who is serious about mastering DSA, mastering graphs in DSA should go ahead, because these 100 problems move from the very simple ones to the very hard ones. Okay. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one with the first problem in the series. Till then, bye bye.